more so than ever before, we're seeing a real shortage of skilled trades workers. And a big part of what has happened in the last year is that there were already so many skilled trades workers working over the average retirement age. And with COVID and everything that's happened in the last year and a half, so many folks left the workforce either for retirement or to do something else. So now we're experiencing an even wider gap than before.
We were noticing even 10 years ago, we knew that many of our skilled trades people would be retiring, that we would need to transfer all these knowledge and all these skills onto the next generation. But many companies were so burdened with everybody doing the job of 3 or 4 people, they just really didn't know how they were going to put this process in place. So we brought together about 12 different people from different companies, from all different roles, and we started a conversation about how we could help these companies develop their talent. West Michigan Made was actually a collaboration and a response to our companies needing an apprenticeship program. At the time, there was 90,000 unfilled skilled trades jobs in Michigan. And when you're looking at that and us being in the talent business going, how are we ever going to fill these jobs? We really started to be concerned about making sure that we had a way to really develop talent that was already at a company and help them to be able to fill those spots, and then really help companies be able to create that ongoing program to be able to keep those jobs being filled within their companies.
I think the apprenticeship is such an important way to train our next generation workforce, simply because you are sharing knowledge in a mentorship role. There's nothing like working side by side with somebody who is a master of their trade, working side by side with them, learning from them.
First of all, an employee can go into a company that has an apprenticeship program or any kind of certificate program, and they can know that they have a development plan and a pathway to be able to gain more knowledge and more skills as they move. They can also gain more, certainly better wages. They can take themselves, and actually the sky's the limit in some cases. We have some apprentices that have started in a program, done a 4-year program, become a journeyman, and then decided, now I can become an engineer. And the company is funding that entire pathway program for someone.
That I truly believe that my apprenticeship is my master's degree. Of all the classes that I've ever taken at the college or university level, my apprenticeship truly was my master's degree. The doors that it's opened for me is not only progressing through the company itself, being able to move from one level of responsibility to the next, but later on it also opened up doors for me to make some career moves.
Express Employment Professionals has been here in Grand Rapids serving this community of employers for over 25 years. We have been through the pain and the heartache of losing skilled employees with all of these companies. Apprenticeship programs are something that we are very passionate about because we recognize that there was a significant need to develop skilled labor. We actually help companies develop and implement apprenticeship programs from start to finish. And we go alongside companies every step of the way, from creation to application for the DOL. We manage the entire process from start to finish. We have a team of apprenticeship coordinators here at Express Employment. Anyone who's interested in learning more is certainly welcome to reach us via email or just pick up the phone and give us a call, 616-281-0611. Tell whoever answers the phone that you're interested in apprenticeships and they'll get you connected to one of us.